Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things for the very first time on camera so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a baked lemon pudding. Why? Because I had lemons in the house. That's really why. I wanted to figure out a quick recipe that would use the lemons. And this one does it. Comes together quickly, you throw it in the oven, it comes out, dust it with some confectioner sugar, and you are done. Do I know exactly how this is going to taste? No, because I've never made it before. However, I will tell you that this is an interesting recipe because it's got egg yolks in it, which is going to make it custardy. But yet it's got the egg whites that you're fluffing separately, which means it's more meringue-like or angel food cake-like. So this pudding is going to be custardy on the bottom and spongy on the top. We will find out. I'm also making it because I get to make up these fun lyrics. Dessert as old as time, pudding and lemon, custardy it is. In a dish it fits, baked lemon pudding. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Softened butter. Gradually add your sugar, and we're going to mush this around until it looks like damp sand. A little at a time. Egg yolks, all-purpose flour, lemon juice, lemon zest, whisk in your milk, egg whites, beat until stiff peaks form. We have our stiff peaks. Fold in your egg whites a little bit at a time. There are still some pieces of egg white in here that have not fully immersed themselves. However, I think it's going to be okay. Well, we'll find out. What I didn't want to do was beat out the egg white fluffiness, which is the whole purpose of making them that way. Into the oven for 20 minutes if you're using these smaller ramekins, about 40 minutes if you decided to use a 5-quart dish or a Pyrex bigger bowl. All will be totally fine. We are looking for the top to be set and or a golden brown. All right, they are looking like they are set on top and they're starting to get golden brown. I don't want to overbake them, so I'm going to take them out. You can see how they look set on top. We get to eat these warm. I'm gonna let them cool for maybe 5, 10, 15 minutes. That's it. And then I'm gonna dig in. Dust with some confectioner sugar. The baked lemon pudding looks great. And that confectioner sugar on top makes it extra pretty. Warm in my hands right now, so let's give it a bite. Ooh. Look at that consistency. It is custardy, but yet I can see how it's souffle-like too. All in the taste. This is delicious. It had a lot of lemon zest and lemon juice in it that you saw, and that is coming through strong, but in all the right ways. The sugar cuts it, the eggs cut it. It is custardy on the bottom, and it does have that more spongy layer on top, just like the recipe said. Winner, winner. If I can make this baked lemon pudding on camera for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check me out on Instagram for so much more.